Alright guys, this is a real-time how to change a brake light bulb on a 1999-2000 Chevy Silverado. I believe it'll work for many other models after that as well, but that much I know. You drop your tailgate down and you go after those two screws that are right there on the inside of that metal. This will allow the lens to come out. The brake light bulb will be at the top of that lens assembly. You will twist the brake light wiring harness counterclockwise, and then you will pop the bulb out of that harness clip, and then you'll put the new one in. You'll hear it snap, probably, like I did. Then you will replace the harness, turn clockwise to lock it into place. Then you will put the lens assembly back up onto the body and put those two screws back in. This is all in real time, so you guys can see how it went. I'm going to put out another video where I'll tell more about the details, but this is a quicker version. Put those two screws in, and you are good to go. Look at that. Ready to rock and roll. That's the old bulb. Mine was a Sylvania Long Life. 3157 is the number, and that is some good stuff.